Hey everyone, have you ever been stuck in a situation where someone you care about in the United States needs a little financial help, but you're miles away? Maybe it's a birthday gift for a long-distance friend, helping out a family member, or even just splitting the cost of that epic online game subscription. Whatever the reason, sending money internationally can feel like a confusing maze. Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we're going to break down exactly how you can send money to the United States, no matter where you are in the world. We'll explore different methods, compare fees, and make sure you feel confident sending your hard-earned cash safely and securely. Why younited? Maybe it's not the United States. Now, hold on a second. You might be wondering, younited? Isn't it the United States? Well, you're absolutely right. It seems there might be a bit of a typo in the question we started with. But fear not, this information will still be incredibly useful if you need to send money across borders to the US of A. Choosing your money transfer champion. Alright, with that little detour out of the way, let's dive into the world of international money transfers. Your first step is choosing a reliable service to handle your transaction. There are several options to consider, each with its own advantages and fees. Banks. Sending money through your bank might feel familiar and convenient. However, banks often have higher fees and less competitive exchange rates compared to other services. Money transfer services. These companies specialize in international transfers and can offer faster transaction times and potentially better rates than banks. Popular options include Western Union, MoneyGram, Ria Money Transfer, and Wise, formerly TransferWise. Peer-to-peer, P2P, payment services. These apps, like Venmo or Zelle, allow you to send money directly to someone's bank account, often with lower fees. However, their availability can be limited depending on the countries involved. Understanding the fees. Don't get nickeled and dimed. Before you jump in, it's crucial to understand the fees associated with sending money internationally. Here's a breakdown of the main culprits. Transfer fee. This is the service charge levied by the company you choose to handle the transfer. Be sure to compare fees across different providers. Exchange rate fee. When sending money in a different currency, there will be a conversion involved. Look for services with transparent exchange rates and minimal markups. Hidden fees. Watch out for additional charges that might not be readily apparent, like intermediary bank fees or cash pickup fees, if applicable. Let's get sending. Different methods, different speeds. Once you've chosen your champion and understand the fees, it's time to pick your method. Bank transfer. This option can be slower, think a few business days, but might be suitable for larger transfers. Cash pickup. This is a great option if your recipient doesn't have a bank account or prefers cash. However, cash pickup fees can be higher. Mobile wallet transfer. If both you and your recipient use compatible P2P services, this can be a fast and convenient way to send smaller amounts. Security first, keeping your money safe. When sending money internationally, security is paramount. Here are some tips to keep your hard-earned cash safe. Use a reputable service, do your research and choose a company with a strong track record for security. Verify recipient information, double-check the recipient's name and account details to avoid sending money to the wrong person. Beware of phishing scams, never share your personal or financial information through suspicious emails or links. Wrapping up, send with confidence. By following these steps, you can navigate the world of international money transfers with confidence. Remember, compare fees, choose a reliable service, prioritize security, and before you know it, your loved ones in the United States will have the helping hand they need. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.